Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sanjay and welcome to the Gentleman's Plate. Today we're making Korean fried chicken. Yes, that's right, you've seen it all over your Facebook feeds. This popular Korean bar food has taken the world by storm because it's sweet, savory, spicy, and addictingly crunchy. And today, we're making it vegan.
So I'm gonna keep it real, I love my fake meats. That's why I'm using these awesome gardening nuggets for this recipe. By the way, I'm making a double portion for this video, but you can find the original ingredients and measurements on my blog linked below. You want to separate the nuggets. If they're stuck together, just microwave them for a few seconds so they can loosen up.
Of course, you can always use firm tofu, mushrooms, or even cauliflower would be great for this recipe. Honestly, if you can batter it, then you can fry it, so you do you.
Now for the batter, we need to use a mixture of all-purpose flour and potato starch like this. Potato starch is super important for this recipe, guys, because it will make sure the wings are crunchy and can hold up against the thick gooey sauce. You can find this potato starch at your local Asian grocery store, or check out the link in the description below to find it out on Amazon. Sift together half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of potato starch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. Sift everything together to remove any clumps. Now add in about a cup of cold water. You can add a little more or less depending on your flour. We're looking for a thick pancake batter consistency. Now add in 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and a half tablespoon of ginger paste, and mix well. If your batter is still a little runny, add more flour. If it's still a little dry, add a little more water. Whatever, you get the point. Now fold in your nuggets, tofu, cauliflower, baby sister, hopes and dreams, or whatever you've decided to sacrifice to the fried chicken gods. Coat them well and let them rest for about 15 minutes. Now is a good time to heat the oil. Set the temperature to 350 degrees or medium-high on your stovetop. Grab yourself a Ziploc bag and add in about a cup of potato starch. Carefully drop in half of your nuggets into the bag one by one and give it a good shake. Close up the bag and shake and toss your nuggets. Press and compact them as you go. You want to make sure that they're all coated and well covered. Then you want to grab a plate and fish the bad boys out. You'll also want to shake off any excess flour, so you can give them a good tap. Test your oil with a few drops of batter. If it floats, it's ready. Carefully add in your chicken to the fryer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Once you get them into the oil, use a spoon to separate them right away, or else they'll start to stick together. We want to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown and hard to touch.
A few minutes later.
Then simply take them out and strain them on a paper towel lined plate. And repeat for batch number 2. Look at those crispity, crunchity, chickeny little fellas. Now this is a whole new kind of KFC. Now it's time for the sauce. The star of the show is gochujang, which is a Korean fermented pepper paste. You can also get this at most Asian grocery stores or use the link below. We need about 3 tablespoons of gochujang. Also, this is a sweet and sticky sauce, so brown rice syrup is traditionally used for this recipe. Or you can use plain corn syrup if you have that laying around too. We need about 3 tablespoons of this. Before we start our sauce, we need to prepare our garnishes. Chop up 4 to 6 stalks of green onions, or scallions if you're fancy, and a few bird-eye chilies or sweet red peppers, or red jalapenos if you're bringing the heat. Now set these guys aside for later. In a dry wok or pan, toast about a half a tablespoon of sesame seeds on high heat until they're just brown and fragrant. Also put these aside for later. In the same pan, add a half a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of gochujang, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons rice syrup or corn syrup, 1 to 2 tablespoons chili flakes, half a tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste or minced garlic. Give it all a good whisk and set the heat to medium-high. Then cook the sauce for 4 to 6 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. Just as the sauce is reduced and coats your spoon, you want to turn off the heat. Now if you wanted to make nuclear wings or fire challenge wings, then you can add some ghost pepper hot sauce like this one. I'm going to keep it PG-13 today, so we're going to skip this step. Once your sauce is ready, add in your chicken, your sesame seeds, your veggies, and give it all a good toss-in. And that's it. These wings are so easy. All you have to do is just top them with a little bit more sesame seeds, a few more veggies for garnish, and serve it alongside rice, pickles, lettuce, and even an ice cold beer. As they say in Korea, ganbae.
So there you have it, folks. Vegans can also enjoy spicy Korean fried chicken too. Did you use vegan chicken or cauliflower or your dignity or anything else? Let us know in the comments below. And how about this, while you're down there, why don't you tell me who your favorite K-pop star is and I'll tell you mine. Right now I'm really feeling the artist named Hoody, especially her song called Like You. Check out the link for that video in the description below. And like always, you'll find complete recipe directions, measurements, and ingredients at my blog at www.thegentleman'splate.com. And do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel if you want more vegan recipes, especially vegan Asian recipes, as we're going to be uploading more videos as time comes. Thanks for watching.